Hi guys, good day. Angelo here. So welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Alright guys, so for today's video, samahan niyo ako saglit kasi babae ulit tayo kay Grab Express. So time check is 3:27 p.m. and meron tayong nakuha booking. So from my area going to pick up location is 3.6 kilometer. And this book is bound to Caloocan with a 680 peso fare plus 15 pesos tips. And then syempre Grab Express to, may 5 gems tayo. So yun guys, puntahan na natin yung pickup and sana hindi traffic ngayong Saturday. Let's go! Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa pickup location and nakuha na natin yung item. So isa siyang medical equipment, a walker para sa mga matanda. So ayun guys, 680 pesos and this will be bound to Caloocan, Kingstown subdivision. And we have 29.6 kilometer and our estimated time of arrival will be 1 hour and 46 minutes. So feeling ko magtatagal pa yan kasi medyo matraffic dito sa Marcos Highway and hoping Katarungan and Commonwealth hindi na traffic. So yun guys, let's go. Deliver natin tong walker. Alright guys, so na-deliver ko na yung walker sa drop-off location. Medyo nagkaroon lang tayo ng delay kasi yung contact person sa drop-off ay hindi sumasagot at saka mali yung nakapin na address. Hindi daw nila mapin yung exact address sa Kingstown. So, okay naman. Kasama sa trabaho natin yan. Meron talagang mga booker or customer na hindi marunong maglagay ng note sa Grab app. Pero all goods naman. So again, this booking is 680 pesos plus 14 pesos tip and then 5 gems. So that's it. Tingnan natin kung meron pa tayong makuha booking pa uwi kahit isa. Pero itong 680 pesos na to is goods na goods para sa bukas nating lakad. May panggas na tayo.